morning, everyone! So, fun thing about me, pretty much every 4 or so years, my life completely falls apart and puts me into a depression so deep and dark that it drags down everyone around me solely because of me, no one else. It's all my fault. And because this severe depression only happens like years in between, I forget how to deal with it a lot of the time, so it's mostly just me going to work, coming home, laying in bed watching TV, and doing absolutely nothing else. So today I'm going to do the steps for handling your depression, and we're gonna see if anything that I do makes me a little happier. And if not, I just don't know what I'm gonna do. So let's get into it! Step number 1. Exercise regularly and eat healthy foods. No. Step 2. Get a reasonable amount of sleep each night. Your friends hate you. You'll never be good enough. Why did you say you too when the barista told you to enjoy your coffee yesterday? Step 3. Find purpose. Put your focus on someone or something other than yourself. Sir, would you like to sign my petition to save the sea turtles? Just one metal straw. Piss off, Nancy. You know what? Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Step 4. Create a list of small goals to achieve. Check them off as you accomplish them. Step 5. Journal your thoughts each night before bed to clear your mind. Dear Diary, why do humans exist? We're ruining the world anyways and it's going to end. So what's the point of curing my depression at all? Step 6. Listen to music or watch a movie that makes you happy.
Dad? Dad, come on. You gotta get up.
Meditate to relax and refocus your thoughts. Seek professional help. I was wondering if I could book an appointment with Dr. Smith. It's an emergency. Look, not every online step-by-step program, website, or like self-help book is going to help with your depression. If it does, that's great. But if you have underlying factors that are leading to your depression and you know that you're causing it, getting professional help is the only way to get over it and kind of rearrange your thoughts and how you look at things, and it'll help you get out of your funk when it's not really a funk. Depression isn't just something you can get rid of like taking medicine and the common cold. It's something that you really have to work on. I am actively trying to work on it and get better. Surrounding yourself with your family and friends is great, but if you're really in a point where you need help, you have to go out and find it from a professional who's willing and able to use the tools to help you get better. I have a long way to go. I have a lot to do to stop and take stock of how I treat people in my life and how I want to treat people in my life going on in the future. And I'm only human, I need help. So I hope you guys